Hello everyone. Yeah, today I will show you how to do the work of regression, and you can see that there is a neighborhood option of our square feet, square feet of an apartment, whether it is brick built or not, and whether it has two bedroom, three or four bedroom, bathroom, and it's also this price. And real estate company wants to know which thing is actually contributing its price most. So whether it is its offer, its neighborhood, its bedroom number or bathroom number or big number, and we can see that the neighborhood option has 231. So I can guess that one means the Richmond, two means the Vancouver, and three means the Surrey. So I will just work with the neighborhood 2 and neighborhood 3 for regression purposes. And what I can see that whether it's brick or not. So for brick option, I will, if it is brick build, then I will select it as yes as 1 and no as 0. And Microsoft Excel cannot read the character file. So for this, I need to create two or three more tabs. So Control C, Shift, plus, and I will select as NBHR neighborhood underscore 2, NBHR neighborhood underscore 3, and what is called the brick underscore, so yes, and I can write that neighborhood 2 is equal to 2, then 1, otherwise 0. But I need to lock the E2 function. I just need to lock the cell, and I will just need to lock only the column option, not the row. Let's accept the correction. Sorry, should be equal to 2, then 1, otherwise it should be 0. No, oh, forget the formula. If is E2 is equal to 2, then 1, otherwise it's 0. Logical. Click here. You can see that for neighborhood is 2, then it's 1, and where it is a 1 it is showing 0, and where it is 3 it is also showing 0. For neighborhood 3 I will also write the function exactly if neighborhood 2 is equal to 3, then 1, otherwise it should be 0, and close the bracket, and I will just log the cell column E, hit enter, because after some time I need to I need to move in neighborhood to this here, and if I don't lock it, so it will actually change its position. So I need to lock the column E. That's the reason, but I don't need to lock the row option. Okay, and for brick, yes, I need to click if. Then you can see that if anything is yes, then it is 1. And I just need to also lock the cell H2, Fn, F4, break, and drag it again. See that the row option is, the column option is locked. So what we'll actually do, I will Control X, Control V, transferring it to other side because I need to analyze the regression. And for break, Control X, and it's transferring it to other side, Control V. And I'll delete this row actual column actually, Control E, Control minus delete the column, and Control minus delete the column G. And now you can see that it has not actually moved. It has not moved. It has not moved. You can see that it is. You can see that it is on the same. It is actually indicating the same column. So everything is correct. If you don't use the dollar sign, then actually it as I move the enter column, then it will actually direct to another column. So right now I will try to analyze the data. So data analysis, there's a regression option. Click regression, click OK. And for input y range, y is something that it is uh, dependent and x range is independent, so that the value of y actually depend on the input range of x. Control shift arrow down, and for x range I will use control shift down level. Okay. Now you can see that I've got my regression, but this is not the actual output what I am expecting. You can see that there are p-values, but what I can do that the conditional formatting should be greater than so I'm right now looking which cell is greater than 0.05. So right now I am seeing that neighborhood 2 is greater than 0.05. That means that for p-value is called the probability, and if any p-value is greater than 0.05, that means that it does not have any impact on regression analysis. So what I can do, I can actually delete neighborhood 2, but I will do something extra right now. So right now what I'll do, I will control shift plus, and I'll do NHBR neighborhood underscore 2 underscore brick, uh, NHBR neighborhood underscore 3 underscore brick. I'm trying to multiply everything with neighborhood 2 with it has brick, and to find out that if there is any relationship between neighborhood 2 multiplied by brick. Okay, so neighborhood 2 multiplied by so brick, yes. I will actually not move that cell, so I don't need to lock it at all because I'm not going to move anything. Look that I have also moved this one neighborhood, and it's actually indicating this one, but I'm not actually locking anything because I will not move this cell or anything else. So neighborhood 3 into brick, yes. I'm trying to find do another regression that whether it has any impact or not. And if I right now try to do a regression analysis right now, that what is the impact? Data analysis, regression, and for it price option, I'll click Control Shift down, and for the X range, I can okay, Control Shift down. Okay. Now I have got a p value, and if I do some conditional formatting, p value select all, and do conditional formatting greater than 0.05. So I can see that this is actually intercept. You don't need to have headache on that. Intercept is the constant value. You just need to see that the neighborhood 2 is 0.0 greater than 0.05. So I can delete this. And also neighborhood 2 break is also greater than 0.59. So I can delete that both cell, both neighborhood 2 and neighborhood underscore break 2. So what I'll do that I will do it at a neighborhood 2 wholesale, control X, control V, and the neighborhood 2, control X, control V, control minus, control minus. So yeah, if anything has changed, I need to see neighborhood 2 underscore V, neighborhood 3, and brick yes, or it's showing the correct things. So I don't need to worry about that. Neighborhood 3 into brick yes. So right now I am just working on other things. I've moved all the things that what I don't need. So I'll do again the regression analysis. So data analysis, regression, and for it the price option, Control Shift down, and for the X range, I need okay. Now is there any value right greater than 0.05 or not? Okay, mark it, and conditional formatting, highlight cell greater than 0.05. There's the intercept, there's no need. So right now I have got my desired regression. So what does it mean? What does it mean? How can I understand the price of the apartment? So if the price of apartment is y is equal to intercept 3407, 3407.48. It is the constant. And if anyone wants to buy an apartment from neighborhood 3, then he needs to give a premium of 17709.77. And if it has a brick, yes, then he also needs to pay 13664.53. And it has offer offer mean discount, so 8298. I'm just taking the round figure, and for square feet plus 53.73.7973 into multiplied by square feet. So if I look at the data, if I want to figure out the first one, square feet is 1790, then what I can do that oh shit, 1790. Okay, and and right now I have the bedroom plus if I have only one bedroom, so it will be 4652 multiplied. If I have a two bedroom, I'm just guessing I have two bedroom apartment, and I have three bathroom apartment. So it should be 606407.659 into 3. And if it is a neighborhood 3 and also a brick 1, then I have a premium of 10361 plus 10361.81. I can now I will try to explain it something detailed. So if it is not a brick built, that means that if it wooden built, then it will be completely zero, because neighborhood 3 in multiplied by zero brick. That means there is no neighborhood 3 multiplied by 3. So it should be 0. And if it is not in neighborhood 3, then you don't need to pay for this sheet premium. This fucking premium is 17,709. You don't need to pay for this for neighborhood 3 and for neighborhood 3 brick. So people who are just weak in uh, mathematics, you might have some problem. What is these things? It is seems me very difficult. It is actually the formula for y equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to the slope and c is equal to the constant. Where slope is equal to the intercept, and the other is just a constant. And what I can write to that, I can calculate it in a Excel right now. Control C, and if I want to calculate it, then click 161549. So it should be 161549, and it is much more higher than the first one, because it is not brick. Yes, it is not in neighborhood 3. So neighborhood 3, I'm seeing that it's neighborhood 3, and yes, I find such a place with neighborhood 3 is brick, not yes. It has 4 offers, and it is square feet 2590, number of bedroom multiplied, and neighborhood 3 brick 0. So its price is 176,800. But my option, probably I forgot something. It should have a offer option 8298. Okay, so offer option, there is a different range. So offer 4 means you need to multiply it with the offer. So I forgot it. Okay, 8298. I'm guessing that the offer is 3. Okay, now I will just copy all the value, Control C, deleted everything, Control V. 161 did not take the thing, uh, multiplied by 3. Oh, right now the price has been reduced. It is 144953. Now you can find out the price of a neighborhood apartment from this formula, that y means y is equal to intercept, the constant, plus neighborhood 3. If it is not in neighborhood 3, then plus 0. You can put plus 0. If it is not brick, yes, then you don't need to, you can also plus 0, no value. And offer means if it is 2, 3, or 4 offers, so you can see that there are different offer value. So 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. So I'll just need to multiply it with the offer offer weight. I'm just multiplying it with the offer weight and nothing else. And just serially multiplied the number of bedroom, number of bathroom, multiplied by the square feet, and whether it's brick built or not. And I got desired by 144953. So I'm hoping that you all understood this, and the regression is almost near to one, so it is almost a perfect regression. But my task is to find out a formula by which I can find out at what price should I sell my apartment. So a real estate company can gather this type of data by doing survey, and they find out that what would be the exact price for an apartment. They can usually identify it based on the cost analysis, but they can also do the market research that what type of apartment should they build. Should they build any two-bedroom or three-bedroom apartment because they want to make more money? So they can do a comparative analysis from this area. That's which factor is contributing most for their analysis. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I will upload more videos like this soon.